Guku mehaririria makwihitithia bunge ya 12 magithie na mbere kiama kia Jubilee ni kihithuritie maritwa maria kingienda manyitirire iturwa itiganite. Uria urari Speaker Justin Muturi na uyo nyititwo mbaru kuruira giturwa kiu thiini wa bunge, nake mubunge wa Kuresoi North Moses Cheboi akiendekithio gutuika munini wake.
The leadership of the party has decided as follows: that our speaker shall be one Justin Biden Muturi. That the position of deputy speaker shall be filled by one Honorable Cheboi.
Jubilee kinyitirira mubunge wa Garissa Aden Duale athie na mbere kunyitirira giturwa kia mutongoria wa aria aingi bunge-ini ya bururi Jimmy Agwenyi mubunge wa Kitutu Chache ya Rugongo ari munini wake.
That the position of chief whip shall be filled by one Benjamin Washiale. That the position of deputy chief whip shall be filled by one Cecily Mbarire.
Giturwa kia Speaker wa Senate kiria kiguciriria ahuraniri Ekwe Thuro, Susan Kihika na Ken Lusaka, Jubilee giikia urito wayo kuri gavana wa tene wa Bungoma Lusaka guku ikiendekithia Kindiki kithure ta munini wa Speaker.
The position of leader of majority shall be filled by one Honorable Murkomen.
Susan Kihika, Senator Muthure wa Naikuru, na kia kiendekithio kuyukia giturwa kia muhuri Musharisha, guku Senator Muthure wa Murang'a Irungu Kang'ata akiorotwo gutuika munini wake. Ningi mucemanio-ini wake na governors, President Uhuru Kenyatta akimathing'iriria guthura governors Salim Mvurya ta muikariri giti wa kanjo ya governors ihinda ria governor wa Turkana Josephat Nanok riathira. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Monica Kaguni.